Alright, to make lemonade you need a juicer. This is a juicer. It takes the lemon and it pulls the pulp out of half of the lemon like this. You also need something to capture the juice in. This is a 4-cup measuring cup. You need something to cut the lemons in half. And of course you need lemons. These are the tools you'll need to make lemonade.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now another thing you can do is you can take your fresh lemon juice that you just made and you can add it to something like this. This is Nature Nectar Sparkling Coconut Water. It's really cold right now. And then you open it up, you pour it inside, and you have another refreshing drink with coconut and lemon juice.
Lime juice.
Limes are green, these are yellow, they're turning yellow.
Smell them. Smell it. It's lime juice, honey.
Oh, and it's got a nice sparkling, you can taste a hint of coconut. This is a very nice way to be able to also use sparkling coconut water and mix it with lime juice and come up with a very, very refreshing lunch drink. Thanks for watching. So here what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of the lemon I have left over, and I still have this over here just in case I need it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake this up, and I'm opening up some Perrier that we found on sale, and this is lime flavored. Every once in a while we find these really good deals on sparkling water, and then I'm going to turn it sideways like you would with a beer bottle, otherwise it's going to fuzz. Not as much as beer does. See, it almost fits the entire container. This container is 16.9 fluid ounces. Then I'm going to cover it back up here, and I'm going to shake it, and what it's going to give me is going to give me a beautiful flavor with the sparkling. See, we'll pour that back out. That's taking too long. It's got a little bit of fuzz, it's got the lemon juice, you can't ask for anything more. Let's taste it. Oh, I really like it. So this is another way to add another bit of flavor to your Perrier, but also be able to use your existing lemon juice that you just made.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.